am bored in the house, bored in the house, bored in the house, bored in the house, bored. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be trying a DIY lash lift. So I did use this kit to laminate my eyebrows. If you haven't seen that video, I will leave it up here somewhere. I don't know if it's that side or that side. But it is made for a lash lift, so today that's what we're going to be trying out. So if you didn't see that video, this kit comes from Amazon. It was £25 and it comes with a range of different solutions and stuff like that. So we have all the instructions here on the back of the box, so I'm going to be following that. You will need some cling film and basically that's it. So I'm kind of nervous because it's so close to my eyes and I really don't want it to sting my eyes and irritate them. So I really hope that it's going to be okay. The instructions are pretty straightforward, so we're going to follow those, as I said before. And quick disclaimer, I'm not a professional. I don't know anything about lash lifts and stuff like that. I've never got it done professionally. I've never done it myself. So this is like a testing kind of video and we will see how it goes. So let's get straight on into the video. Right, step one, I need to use the cleansing solution to remove oil, dust and makeup residue. So I don't have anything on my eyelashes, like no mascara or anything like that, but I did do my makeup, so there could be some residue in there. I'm taking a little cotton bud and just like popping it into the solution. I'm just going to cleanse those eyebrows. I mean, there is a little bit of residue from some mascara that I wore yesterday, but apart from that, there shouldn't be anything really on my eyelashes, although it's looking pretty dirty already. The things that we are trying out in quarantine, guys, like I'm going all in. I'm just doing every single at-home treatment available just because I'm bored and I really want to test these kinds of things out. So I think I've got everything off of that eyelash. Right, the eyelashes are cleansed. Step 2, apply the eye pads under the eyelids to protect your skin from the lotion. Which eye pads? So I'm assuming they mean these like care eye pads, which come in this like plastic foil kind of thing. So I'm gonna open it up. It says you get 100, but I just see 2. Plant extracts 100 care eye pad. Okay, I think like 100% plant extract. Actually, I'm just going to do one for the moment because I don't know how I'm going to do the other one when I've got one of the eyes closed. So we're going for this one. So I'm just trying to get it as close to my lash line as possible. Oh, that feels weird. I already can't see, so I have no idea how I'd be able to do 2 at the same time. So at least if I do one, you guys, sorry if I look weird right now, you guys can see the difference and see if it actually works. Next step, put glue on the eye pads, then place it on the upper part of the eyelid and make sure it is stayed. What the hell does that mean? Okay, so I think this is just for the under eyes, and then we've got like these little lift pad kind of things, and it says to apply glue to them so that they stick to your lid. So I'm assuming like they're like these little rubbery kind of things, and I'm going to apply glue to the like flat edge, and then I guess I have to stick that onto my eyelid. No idea what I'm doing. We'll see how it goes. Trying to get it as close to the lash line as possible and make sure like you don't stick your lashes down. I think that will do for now. Now I really can't open my eyes. So that's pretty stuck down, I think. This is so weird. Oh my goodness. This feels really unnatural. Okay. Apply glue on the eyelashes to keep it stuck to the lift pads for 1 minute. So we're going in with the lash glue. We're gonna stick those lashes down, hopefully. Well, apparently they don't want to stick down right now, but maybe we need some more glue. Okay, one is stuck down. Let's keep going. Oh no, I really hope my eyelashes don't just fall off. I'm gonna apply like the glue all along the lift pad. Okay, if I use my finger, it's a bit easier. The concentration is real right now. Wow, that looks creepy. If this is creeping you out right now, I'm very sorry. Let's zoom you in so you can see my really creepy eyelid. Wow. Okay, so it says to leave it on for 1 minute and then to apply the perming solution and cover your eyes with the plastic wrap. So I'm just going to leave it for 1 minute. Let's zoom out because this is kind of creepy AF. Has it been a minute yet? I'm so impatient. But so far, it's not irritating my eyes yet. Like, my eyes are not stinging or anything, so that's good. I was worried about that, but we'll see when we put the perming solution on. Okay, I think it's been about a minute now. So this is the perming solution. It's number 1. And where am I supposed to apply this with? I'm going to just use a cotton bud. I'm not gonna lie, this is not the most comfortable process ever, but it does feel kind of strange on my eyelashes. Okay, now it's time actually to get out those little brush tool things. And I'm just going to brush the solution in. Perming solution is on. Now it says to use the cling film to cover the eye. Eesh. So, just this eye, I guess. Is it supposed to, like, I don't know, sit tightly or is that okay? Wow, the things I do on YouTube, I don't even know, guys. So we're gonna leave this on for 12 minutes, 10 to 12 minutes it says, and I'll be back to do the next step. I've just got my timer on. See you soon. It has been 12 minutes and now I need to just remove this cling film. Oh my goodness, it's kind of stuck. That's so weird. Oh my goodness. Oh no. Okay. So now I need to remove that perming solution with this cleaning tool. It's kind of like a Y-shaped plastic thing. And I'm just going to brush that. It has like a spiky side and a smooth side, so I'm just using the smooth side just to kind of like remove that solution a little bit. Still no irritation, which is pretty good. I mean, I don't really have sensitive eyes, so if you do have sensitive eyes, I probably wouldn't recommend this. And it is probably better to get this done by a professional, but obviously the salons are closed, so if you want to try this, just make sure you're really careful. I have removed as much as possible. Now we're going in with the fixation solution, which is number 2. And again, I'm taking a cotton bud and getting some of that solution. Just going to put that on the eyelashes. And I'm just making sure I'm really covering every single eyelash, just so they're all gonna go in the same direction and we won't have some like curled downwards. Because that is not really what we're going for, is it? Done, I think, hopefully. It's okay. We need to cover the eye again. I mean, there are a lot of steps in this process, but it doesn't take too long. And it's not like super complicated or anything. So again, covering my lovely eye with this cling film. My poor eyelashes. I'm so sorry, eyelashes. That is the second solution on. We are going to leave that again for 12 minutes and that's basically going to be it. And then we're going to almost be done. So 12 minutes. See you soon, guys. Okay, I'm bored in the house. Bored in the house. Bored. Bored in the house. Bored in the house. Bored. I can't get that song out of my head. Are you guys obsessed with TikTok too? Like, that's what I've been doing for these past 12 minutes anyway. So it's time, I think, to take off this thing from my eye. Okay, moment of truth. Woo! Eyelashes are still stuck down, which is great. Now it's time to get off all of the solutions using the cleanser. So it says to do it with a Y brush, but I know when I did my eyebrows, it was best to like apply the cleanser and drench like the eyelashes because that will make it easier to get the comb through them. Otherwise they're like just gonna pull your eyelashes out. So I'm just going to put a lot of cleanser on my eyelashes. I found a TikTok dance that I might actually be able to do. Okay, I'm taking the comb side of this wide brush thing and I'm just going to try and comb through the eyelashes and get all of the crap off them. Be careful because you can pull out your eyelashes if you do this too roughly. Okay, I think I'm just gonna remove this. Okay, no, it's still kind of, one of the eyelashes is still kind of stuck there. Whoa, oh my goodness, like look at the eyelashes. I just want to make sure that I've got everything out of them and like all the glue is removed and stuff like that. But look at that, that is like with no mascara. What the hell? So let me zoom you in so you can kind of see a little bit better. Here is before and after. Like my eyelashes are still a little bit wet from all the cleanser solution, so some of them are kind of sticking together, but once I like properly wash my face and stuff, which I don't think you can do that for around maybe 24 hours, it's best not to get them wet, I guess. I don't know, I'm gonna wait like at least 12 hours till I get them wet. But this is the difference, like this is the before and this is the after. I don't really need to say that much, to be honest. You can see the results there. I don't have any mascara on, nothing. Like literally these are my eyelashes without anything on them. So that is amazing. I really didn't expect that big of a result. This is the potential my eyelashes have, and this is what they look like. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do exactly the same thing to this eyelash, and then I'll be back to show you guys the finished results. But like, let's just appreciate this for a minute. Okay guys, so both sides are done and I am actually obsessed. These eyelashes were a little bit more difficult just because I have a few that are kind of like shorter and kind of growing in, and so they wouldn't stick to the eye pads as well as the longer ones, but it still turned out pretty nice. I am not wearing any mascara and it looks like I am. These ones are a little bit longer than these ones, I'm not sure why, but it worked so well. I'm really impressed with the result, as I've said like 3,000 times already in this video. I just actually didn't think that it would work this well. I would definitely recommend this kit if you want to try this out at home. Obviously, be careful, make sure that you are super careful when applying it close to your eyes. But it wasn't too difficult to do. It was slightly uncomfortable. I didn't get any irritation or anything, and my eyelashes feel fine now. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I hope you like how the eyelashes came out. Like, you can see the end result is pretty good. I think it went really well. And if you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button down below. And I hope to see you in my next one. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.